Welcome to online Precalculus at St. Louis Community College. My name is Mike Lukey, and I'm the instructor of this course for the 12-week session. There's a lot to do and there's no time to lose, so let's talk about how you can get started. First, log into Blackboard and click on the first few links in the course menu on the left side of the screen. Read through the documents and materials that you find there, including the syllabus and the course schedule. The syllabus has a lot of information in it, but it's very important that you read it carefully because it contains important details about policies and components of the course. Basically, throughout this semester, I'm going to ask you to complete 4 main kinds of tasks: assignments, activities, weekly discussion forums, and exams. The first task, the assignments, will be one that I ask you to complete about 2 or 3 times per week based on the new topics that you're studying. There will also be about 1 activity assigned per week, and I'll ask you to post 1 time each week in the discussion forums. All of those tasks are crucial components of your preparation for the exams, of which there will be 4 this 12-week session, about once every 3 or 4 weeks. Those exams are paper and pencil based, and are administered on the Forest Park campus on the dates given in the syllabus. Taking the exam with me at the Forest Park campus allows you to ask questions and get help as necessary. But if you need to make alternative arrangements for testing on a different date or at a different location, that's possible. Consult the syllabus for more details about that. Nearly everything you do for this course, except for the exams, will be accessible from one internet site called MyOpenMath. MyOpenMath contains all the course materials like the textbook, video tutorials, and required tasks. It's pretty easy to use, and the best part of all is that it's completely free. Your only required cost for this course is your tuition. Everything else will be available to you freely online. The materials in Blackboard describe how to set up your account in MyOpenMath, show you how to get started, and a few quick things about navigating that platform. So please use the videos and the syllabus to help you begin. As for calculators, many students ask if a graphing calculator is required. It is not. We'll be using free online graphing tools which are available on a variety of platforms, including on mobile devices. You're welcome to bring a traditional graphing calculator like a Casio or TI to the exams, but that is not required. Once you have logged into MyOpenMath, consider posting a photo of yourself in your account settings so that I and your classmates can associate your face with the things that you post. There are directions for how to do this in the Week 1 discussion forum. Then, be sure to check out the textbook, links to other related material, and then get started on Assignment 1, all of which can be found in the Start Here block at the top of the MyOpenMath menu. Getting off to a good start in an online math class is really important because keeping up with the work and the pace of the class is probably more difficult than the math itself. Most of the time, if you can finish the required tasks without getting behind the schedule I suggest in the syllabus, your chances of success are very high. So what does it take to stay on track with that schedule? Well, consistency is the key. I'm recommending to all of you that you commit to working 6 days a week on math. It's unlikely that you can finish the course successfully if you work only 1 or 2 days per week. The biggest mistake that students make in an online course like this one is underestimating the amount of time and energy it takes to be successful. This is a 5-credit class, and if you were enrolled in a face-to-face session over 12 weeks, your instructor would probably recommend that you commit to about 5 or 6 hours a week in class and at least that many hours a week outside of class for doing homework and studying. Since online math classes usually require more time than face-to-face classes, I'm estimating that most of you should expect to spend at least 12 to 15 hours every week on math in order to be successful. That breaks down to working about 2 to 2.5 hours every day, 6 days a week, which is what I'm recommending to you now. Although not everyone needs this amount of time, often students need more time than this. Think carefully about the amount of time you have and the amount of time and energy you'll need to be successful in the course. If you're concerned about the level of commitment that it requires, Now is the time to contact me about that. Send me an email, give me a call, or stop by my office. Speaking of stopping by my office, I'd like to say a few things about office hours. After the first few days, Blackboard will primarily be the place where you can meet with me for virtual office hours. Blackboard has a utility called Collaborate, which allows us to conduct a full-service video chat with a whiteboard, instant messaging, and anything else we might need in order to answer the questions and concerns that you have about the class. I'm also available on the Forest Park campus if you want to talk to me in person. My campus office hours are listed near the top of the syllabus document. If you can't make it to campus, though, I'm happy to schedule appointments for us to meet electronically through Blackboard. It's not easy to work through an online pre-calculus course, but I think I've set up a course that is ready to support you along that journey. My primary goal is to give you opportunities to build a strong mathematical foundation so that you'll be well prepared to tackle the calculus sequence and any other important concepts you'll need beyond. I'm looking forward to working with each of you this spring, and I hope you have many positive learning experiences in the course. Good luck!